This video is for when you have already completed the first part of your storyboard. We now want to take a look at our timeline. When we click on the timeline, it's going to bring it up. Typically, it'll be very far out. You want to zoom in so you can see all your pictures a little bit easier. Each one of your images is imported for a total of 5 seconds. When you go to the end of a picture, you can click on any picture. You go to the end of the picture, you can drag that picture and make it longer or shorter, and it shows you there in the duration, 4.5 seconds. Now it's 5.7 seconds. Make it shorter, make it longer. Why would you want to change this? Well, if you have a lot of detail going on in your picture, you're going to want to make the picture last longer so that you get a chance to see all the detail. If you have a slide or an image that has words, you definitely want to make it last longer because we've all watched a video. Words pop up and we don't have enough time to read it. It's very annoying. So you want to make sure that gets lasting longer. And finally, the longest one would be images with both pictures that are full of detail and words written over top. That one is going to be your longest one. So you can adjust any one of these picture lengths however much you want. The 5 seconds is good because your 5 seconds has 1 second in the beginning for a transition in, 1 second for a transition out. That means you actually get to see the picture here total for 3 seconds. Otherwise, here's your transitions of 1 and 1. The next step then is going to be actually looking at your picture transitions. If I click on a picture, I can hold with the button and drag, and you'll see that little blue ramp. Now I can make the transition last really long, which means that when you play it, it'll go slowly, or I can do the opposite, and I can make it really, really short. So now when I play it, it's going to happen fairly quickly. If you make a transition longer, the thing you have to remember, you got to make that picture longer. Otherwise, you will change that image so that that image is on the screen for a total of maybe 1 second. So that's kind of the next step you have here as far as the transitions, length of pictures, and how you want the overall outlook to be. The next step would be our music.